In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a CapCut project. To get started, open CapCut in your web browser. Once the site is open, sign in to your CapCut account so you can access your saved work. After you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Recent Projects. This is where CapCut displays the projects you've been working on most recently. Give the page a moment to load fully. Waiting for everything to appear before clicking around can help avoid mistakes, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Once the Recent Projects page is visible, locate the specific project you want to rename. Take a second here to make sure you've selected the correct one, particularly if you have multiple projects with similar names. When you find the right project, click the three-dot menu on that project card. This will open a menu with additional actions for that project. Wait for the menu to appear, then click Rename. After that, give CapCut another moment while the project name field becomes editable. You should see that the current name is now ready to be changed. Now enter your new project name. Try to choose a name that makes the project easy to recognize later, especially if you're managing a lot of edits. A clear and specific title can save time when you come back to it in the future. Once you've typed the new name, review it carefully to make sure it looks exactly the way you want. This is a good time to check spelling, capitalization, or any wording you may want to adjust. When everything looks right, press Enter on your keyboard. That confirms the change and tells CapCut to save the new name. Wait a moment while CapCut updates the project information. In most cases, this happens quickly, but it's still a good idea to pause briefly so the change has time to register. Finally, review the project list and confirm that the project has been successfully renamed. You should now see the updated name displayed on the project card. If the new name appears correctly, that means the process is complete. And that's all it takes to rename a CapCut project in your browser. It's a simple change, but keeping your project names organized can make your editing workflow much easier and more efficient.